Are you struggling to shed stubborn belly fat? Here is the top favorite smoothie recipe that helps aid digestion, reduce bloating, and promotes belly fat loss. Smoothies can be a great tool to help you lose weight, but only when done right. No Bloat Cucumber Smoothie. Cucumbers are great for flat bellies because they are made up mainly of water. This means less bloating and an easy way to cool down your body after a workout. Ingredients: 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup peeled cucumber, 1 banana, 1 cup frozen pineapple, 1 handful spinach leaves. Instructions: blitz until smooth and enjoy this refreshing smoothie. The good news is that beating bloat, easing digestion, and bringing back your flat belly can be achieved with this easy and fast salmon and cilantro ginger sauce recipe. To make the cilantro ginger sauce, use 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice and 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon minced seeded Thai red chili, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 medium clove garlic, mashed into paste. To grill the salmon, use 1 pound skin on salmon fillet, about 2 inches thick, cut into 4 portions. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, pepper and salt. Step 1. Cilantro ginger sauce. Whisk oil, lime juice, cilantro, fish sauce, chili, ginger, honey, and garlic in a small bowl. Reserve 1 tablespoon of the sauce in a separate small bowl to use for basting. Step 2. Grilled salmon. Rub oil all over the salmon. Rub pepper and salt. Place the salmon on the grill, skin side up. Flip the salmon and brush with the reserved 1 tablespoon sauce.